기계치 is not fun. Hello everyone, I'm Miss Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. Today is the last day of our Chi series. Last but not least, it is 기계치. Let's get started. Hey Gigi. Oh, you finally got the new U-Pad. Let me see. Wait, how can I start this machine? What do you mean? Isn't this yours? Yep. Being 기계치 is not fun. Could you please help me? Oh, poor Chi-Chi. She can't even turn on the new machine. As we keep studying on the Chi series, you add Chi at the end when you're not good at something or you don't have any talent doing that at all. In this case, Chi-Chi is bad with electronics. You call it 기계치. 기계 means machine, so you add chi. Then it becomes 기계치. Listen carefully and repeat this expression together. 기계치. 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 나 기계치야. 나 기계치야. 너 기계치야? 너 기계치야? Good job. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. 우리 아빠는 기계치여서 항상 데스크탑 컴퓨터만 사용하셔. 유패드는 다루기 어렵다고 하시네. 이러한 하이테크놀로지 시대에서 기계치인 건 정말 슬픈 일이야. How was the Chi series that I prepared for you? Now you can use these Chi words in real life for each situation. Besides the Chi series that I prepared, 음치, 몸치, 닥치, 길치, 방향치, 기계치. If you know more something Chi expressions, please comment down below. I'll see you with more useful expressions in the next video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Miss Kiki's channel so we can meet every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye!